Hello there and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lily, please do subscribe. Should I put my glasses on my head? I don't know if that makes me look better or worse. I think I might leave them on. So excuse me how horrible I look in this lighting. I'm in my kitchen once again. And today, as you can probably tell from the title of this video, I'm going to attempt to make my own Nando's at home. We were in the garden earlier and my dad was like, I really fancy a Nando's. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to make my own. So I'm going to show you, I've got these chicken pieces that are vegan because I'm a vegan. But obviously, if you're going to do this too, do it with chicken. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do and see if it works out, see how good it tastes. So I'll show you what ingredients I've got. Hi Sonia. Sonia Rita. She's back. Okay, so obviously I've got these meat-free, meatless things. I'm going to have it in a pita bread. I'm going to have it with red onion, tomato, vegan mayo and the Nando's sauce, which is vegan, so you can mix that into there. And then these, which we just had in our cupboard luckily, which is like a bag, and I'm just going to put the chicken pieces, like the fake chicken pieces in there. I'm going to have a bit of halloumi, and so I'm going to coat it in flour and then fry it in the oil. I'm going to make some creamy mash to go with it, and then I'm going to make some macho peas. So you need obviously frozen peas, which are still in my freezer, mint and sriracha or like chili or whatever, and then salt and pepper. And then I'm just going to have a bit of salad with it. Okay, so I've kind of got everything ready now. I've made the thing for my macho peas there, avocado and the dip, and I've just cut up all my salady bits, and I've got my flour ready to toss my halloumi in and fry it. And my potatoes ready to boil and mash. Sorry I'm so red, but my family decided to come and make a load of noise, so I thought I'd just stick it with some music over, and I'm just gonna pop some leaves on the plate with the pizza, and there we go. So I'll get back to you when I construct. So I've just put my potatoes in to boil, and I've got 5 minutes until my chicken needs to go in. Well, my fake chicken. I've decided my creamy mash is never going to be as good as Nando's. The only person who's ever made mash better than Nando's is Jack, because his mash is just insane. So yeah, I'm just waiting for that to boil. And then I've cut my pita in half. I think I'm going to lightly toast it, but I don't think the Nando's one is actually toasted. So yeah, all is going well. I'm very excited to eat this because I'm starving hungry. It is 9:15 because my family eat in the middle of the night. So yeah, that's a little update for you. There we go. There is my homemade Nando's. I left all the stuff that didn't fit on the side. My macho peas smell delish. Dade made me mashed potato. And the pita breads are a lot smaller than they are in Nando's, so they kind of broke. So I just used a little toothpick. There we go. I'll let you know once I've eaten it. Okay, so I've just come up here because my family are getting ready to do a quiz downstairs and tidying up after dinner. So I thought I'd come tell you how it was. It was so good. The chicken was very seasoned. I'm just going to keep calling it chicken because fake chicken's too much of a hassle to say. It was very seasoned. Like, I put it in a bag with the spices, and it was like for about 4 chicken breasts, so it was like for a family of 4. So I probably used way more like seasoning than I should have done, so it was very like strong. So I had like a few, but I took most of the chickeny bits out. That's my only really. More sauce, maybe more of the mayo and Nando's saucy kind of thing. Wish I did more macho peas. They were so nice. I mixed a little squirt of sriracha, but like just like spread, and mint leaves, and just mixed them into my peas, and that was literally it. And then my dad just literally made mash like with vegan spread and potato and just mashed it up, put it in a little thing for me, and there. It was so good. You could have chips instead of mash and like peri-peri salt, you know? So good. I've probably said so good about 1,000 times. So yeah, sorry about this bit of a mishmashy video. It's probably a very quick one, just for your Sunday evening. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Please do subscribe, give this video a like, things like that. Sorry, at the moment everything's kind of food and clothes based because I can't really go anywhere to do much else. And I feel like I want to daily vlog, but I don't really do much. Like, I really don't do anything. So maybe one day I will, but I don't really do much. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!